Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, English and Literature with Carol. In case you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We normally do a lot of revision in the English curriculum. Now, I want us to look at something that some students have asked me about in paper 1, question 1. Paper 1, question 1, English. How is it set? How do you know how to tackle this question? Now, on the board here, you can see I have written a question. Imagine you're a member of your boarding school's environmental club. As soon as the school closes, you're visiting Tsavo National Park. Write a letter to your brother to help you pack the items you will need for that trip. So how do you go about such a question? How do you know what is required in this question? The question is normally very clear. It has given you a guideline. You have first of all to locate it and say which functional writing is this. So as you can see, it is a letter. This one is a letter because you have been told to write to your brother. So which kind of letter is that? Do you know there are different types of letters? So this one is what? Because you're writing to your brother, you call it an informal letter or a friendly letter. The other thing that you should note that is a two-part question. Because you're writing to your brother, asking him to pack. So there'll also be another item or functional writing called the packing list. So the examiner will look at that and we'll want to see a very clear format. So I have given you, I want to make it easy for you on how do we award these marks, because I've realized that some students just start writing without that clarity in mind. So we will have the format that is 12 marks, the content that is 6 marks, and the language that is 4 marks. You will have to split these items. There will be 2 of them. Which one is the format here? The format will entail in a letter. What does a letter consist of? Do you know how to write a friendly letter? How many addresses does a friendly letter have? You said 1. 1 address. Now, how does a friendly letter look like? How does the address of a friendly letter look like? That friendly letter does not have the name of the sender, because I have noted that you people have a problem with that. You keep writing your name in the address. The name does not appear in the address. Something else that you should note is that the date. When did you write this? The dates is part of the format. The dates. So what have I said first? I have said you must include the address. And then I have also said that you must include the date. And then the next thing that you must do is that you must have what you call the salutation. Definitely that is your brother. You know his name. I wonder some students are a bit interesting. Why would you write dear brother or sister? And you know very well you have been asked dear brother. And then you know the name of your brother. So you can say, for example, dear Michael. Maybe Michael is my brother. So I can say, dear Michael. So I am calling him out because I know him. He's my brother. So give a name to your brother. Give a name to your brother. Dear Alvin, for example. Because you know the name of your brother. And then now you will go to the body, because this one is the friendly letter. Definitely you are familiar with your brother. Ask them, how are you? How have you been? How is mom back at home? Pick a familiar tone. The tone will be marked here because you are familiar with your brother. You will not have a tone that is official. You have greeted them because this is a friendly letter. You have asked something familiar. Maybe how is our puppy? before you say now, in the first paragraph, it's definitely to create that environment and to tell them, I am doing fine in school. Remember, you have been told in the question, the guideline of the question, you must stick to the question. It has said that you are in boarding school. That means you haven't seen your brother for some time. You can tell them how you have been doing. I have been working hard in my studies. I even participated in drama festival. Now we are heading for nationals. Tell them something familiar. And then now in the second paragraph is where you will tell them the reason why you have written this letter. Be very careful, because you have to be clear why you have written this letter. So you can tell them, maybe the main reason for me writing this letter is that I needed you to pack for me clothes or items that I will need during my trip to Tsavo National Park that you will take. Be very specific, because you have the information about the trip. You can say maybe for 3 days, for example, if the question is not specific, but you will keep going back to the question to see the details that you will be writing there. And then you say, I will be looking forward to you. Praise your brother, because that is courtesy. Yeah? Please pack for me the following items that will be attached in the packing list, because now you will be including the packing list in your information. Now, in the next thing, that's before you write the packing list, you'll say it will appear in the packing list. You will have to close down your letter. You'll have to do it. To finish up, you have that signing off. You say, your lovely sister. This one does not say whether you're a sister or a brother there. You've been told you. Imagine you. So you can say, your loving sister, Tabitha, for example. Or your loving brother, Ian. That means that you have finished writing the letter. Did you understand something, my viewers? Did you attempt to write the letter? Can I give you time? Do you have any questions that you need answered? You can comment down below and I will take care of the questions. The next video we will do is that I will show you how to write a packing list. So tomorrow I will post a video to show you how to write what you call a what? A packing list. So for now it's bye. Subscribe.